Ignore the green screen. Nice and moldy again. Yeah. Not too bad. Really good. Honestly, I think I'm just getting good at making these.
All right, this is day 3 Tamagoyaki. We're gonna try peanut oil instead of sesame and avocado. So far, sesame's been my favorite. We're gonna see if it tastes any better with peanut oil. Nose rings are old school, right? Even the oven itself needs to be like tilted. You know what I mean? It needs to be like here to be like level. That's why everything slides this way. But whatever, I make it work. All right, I'm gonna get the pan preheated. Remember, we're doing super low, like 2.5. I think is what we ended up on. We got our homemade dashi. The recipe for this is in the Discord if you guys are interested. Down to the homemade dashi and how to make everything here. This is for the oil. We need mirin, soy sauce. I also need a little applicator dude and a little whisk. All right, we're gonna try peanut oil today instead of... We tried the avocado the first day. Sesame the next day. We'll do peanut today. See which one tastes the best, right? Same exact recipe, getting a little bit better each time. Egg roll pan, yeah. It's literally made for Tamagoyaki. It's crazy. Okay, 2 eggs. And then next week we're gonna start playing around with this recipe. We're gonna, you know, add in cheese, add in veggies, see how much we could really change it up. But I think compared to day 1, our day 2 one came out pretty good. I'm cracking an egg in here. Shaploop. Give these a nice whisking. With the little baby whisk you guys sent me. Okay, we need our homemade dashi as well. We're finally done with 1 container. Okay. She is full. One, 2, 3, 1.5. Whiskin. Close this up and put her in her fridge. And it's like we made the perfect amount of dashi. So it's 1.5 tablespoons of dashi sauce, but I only have teaspoons, so it's 3.5, I think, is how much dashi I'm supposed to put in, or something like that. I might be using too little. And our mirin. Give this a nice whisk. And some eggs. Because I can't wait to make this with 3. Okay, easy peasy. Now, like I said, this time we're going to try using peanut oil instead of avocado or sesame oil to see how much different this tastes. So far, like I said, my favorite has been sesame. What is dashi? Dashi is a Japanese broth that I made homemade with kelp, mushrooms, and bonito flakes. It's super easy, surprisingly enough. A little bit more egg. Make sure it all sets good. So I kind of just want to make sure it's even before it fully sets. The recipe's in our Discord under the food and cooking. We're gonna turn into a command soon. We're gonna let that first layer set. Could use a little more heat on that. Never heard of it before. Me either, until somebody got me this Tamagoyaki pan. Like, apparently it's the broth that's been on miso soup, or you know, like, you know, we eat it all the time apparently, and I didn't even know about it. But it was super simple to make. Essence of umami. Like, this is the issue here on the first one's a little tough because there's not a lot of heat at the edge here. So we're gonna lift and just roll as best as we can, and then slide it this way, because you see how long it takes to cook over here. So the other egg stays at the edge where there's not a lot of heat, while the rest of it takes the pan heat. I need that corner to set here. I let a little too much egg go in there, but it's so smooth. Like, I've never had eggs like this. Just, you know, it takes forever because you're cooking on low medium heat. Hope to one day try these, Sin. Dude, I'm telling you, it's so easy to do. Try and get a good roll here. I can definitely see the color difference using the peanut oil already. I'm not doing as good this time with these as I was yesterday. Re-oil, a little bit more peanut oil. And we want just enough egg mixture to cover. Make sure it all sets perfectly. And see, the way that would have rolled, now the new egg attaches to the old edge. We just continue rolling into it. I'm just gonna keep spreading this out, making sure it's perfect. Yeah, I got 4 pours out of it last time. Looks like I'm just getting 3 pours out of today's. Before I set it down, I'm just gonna move them around. Before it fully sets. There we go. Starting a lot of sushi places, at least near where you're at. I've never had it. Far from being at your level though, this isn't that hard though. Like I said, I'm kind of cheating because I have a rectangle pan and I have this little flipper that it came with. Like, this makes it cheating. Imagine trying to do this in a circular pan. It'd be impossible. You have to like roll egg and then chop the sides, right? That's what we're trying to master. See if we can get a perfect rolled egg. Stove looks like it's had a lot of knives put in the element. Yeah, dude. I don't know. This house is old. I'm just renting. I don't live here. It's like even a super tiny oven. I can't have all 4 burners because the pans are too big. Be one of the first things we get one day when we get a nice streamer house. Try and get in there. Roll that back. Oh, that was not set. I ripped it already. Roll back with me, come on. Damn it, I have to pour the rest. This is gonna be a thick last one. Let that set. Egg roll would be nice battered. Flip the side to make it look like a rectangle, nodders. Henken rents a home he doesn't live in? Yeah. This is my landlord's house. Yeah, see, way too much egg in the last one. I gotta find a way to sneak out that 4th pour. I must be doing just a little too much in the first 2. I have a feeling we're gonna have a toasty egg on the other side after this. Was this invented because someone ran out of rice for sushi but had plenty of egg? I couldn't tell you. But it's not just egg, right? It's like using mirin, dashi, and soy sauce. Which I mean, I don't know if that's like a typical thing they use for breakfast. I'm not up to date on the culture. The thing is, I wanted to learn how to make omurice. And I really like Korean barbecue and Japanese food, Korean food. And DX got me the Korean barbecue grill, and he got me this Tamagoyaki pan. So I was like, you know what? We have it. Let's use it and master it. I want to make this like professional quality. Can't wait for you to have a dope streamer pad, Hank. If the amount of fun, chat, and I have in the streams with you is any indicator of how much you deserve all that, it's a guarantee, brother. Let's go steal. Yeah, I think streamer house would be cool. I got some stuff I'm kind of working in the process. Doing a big ass kitchen. You know, I just think 4 people split in a place. I don't think I'd hate it so much if, you know, I really want roommates, but I think like everyone's a Twitch streamer, you know. It'd be sweet to have a house stream. Oh yeah, just in time. Still got a good color. Oh no, that one's definitely got some egg left still. Little raw egg there left over, so we can spread it. A little early on this one, guys. But I saved this side. That looks good. It gets too toasty. Let's cut her open and see how we did.
A little tighter on the rolls. You know what, the green screen. Nice and moldy again. Yeah. Not too bad. Really good. Honestly, I think I'm just getting good at making these. Oil doesn't change the taste that much. It tastes just like the one yesterday. Did you make enough for chat? No. Anyone here in Florida? I'll make you guys one. How mold manifests so fast over time will remain a mystery. Not too bad. I'm gonna redo it with the avocado oil. This is as good as yesterday's was. I think it's because first day I might have just did the last one too long. This is good. Definitely undercooking it a little bit. It's a little more creamy. Not too bad. Yeah, we gotta try cheese and some veggies on it. Not something interesting food related, just saying. Probably be cold by the time I get there. I'll make you a fresh one. It's super easy. I got enough dashi for, I think, like, honestly, weeks, if not months of Tamagoyaki daily. If anything, what I'm gonna do next is up the recipe to 3 eggs and make an even bigger roll. Just keep it going. Same amount of dashi and all that stuff. But, you know, and yeah, not too bad. Day 3, I'm getting really, really good at the Tamagoyaki. Don't forget to check out !HelloFresh. If you guys never used HelloFresh before, we got a pretty good deal going right now in a cook-off happening in Discord, and !merch as well. We got a bunch of brand new stuff out there for you guys with the holiday season coming up as well. Might give you guys a cool little Christmas discount or something on a couple of the items. 07s, everyone. Thanks for hanging out. You guys have been awesome.